guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Tuesdays in the Attic, Christmas in October, and 30 Days of Sketches Day 25. We're doing this amazing sketch by Allison Davis. She's so talented. I am going to change it up a tiny bit. I've actually been sticking quite strictly to the sketches I've noticed this month. This one I'm going to change a little bit, whereas I have only one photo. It's going to be trimmed down a little bit instead of the 3 photos, which is fine. The sketches are jumping off point, right? They're made to be changed and morphed and created and used however you need them. So I have just a few photos left in my son's school albums to finish up. So I'm caught up to at least his last year, which is, I think, pretty good. So I've got that trimmed down, single photo layout happening. And I've got Echo Park's Silent Night collection because my kiddo, they did a live nativity this year, or this year that I'm documenting, not this year. I loved it. I hope their school decides to do that more often. Now that I'm at the school, maybe I can suggest that. But yeah, it was fantastic. Loved every second of it. So I wanted to document more of that live nativity. Well, I did in my December daily, but I wanted at least one photo for his school album to kind of like show it, and it's him and his class all as the angels. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I thought, oh gosh, this is this. I thought what I would do is this sketch is perfect because I can use a bunch of the scraps I have of all these beautiful patterns. And I was trying to decide, oh gosh, what paper I wanted to use. Sorry, trying to move all this stuff as my background, and I think I might actually use this instead of this, which you'd think I'd use this. Well, or not. Or do I want to use this and have and I do have white thread in my sewing machine. Actually, yeah, let's use this. So then I will be cutting a bunch of strips, and then if I cut these strips of these nice pale papers with the angels on it, it'll stand out actually. I wish I had some that go up and down though, because a little higher. Those are kind of short. Well, I'll just have to layer it nicely. Layer it a good way that works. So that is my plan, is to take these scraps and kind of trim them up. I might end up trimming this one up too, but I think I might have enough papers that I don't need to do that. Allison has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 papers kind of layered up as her banners and some stitching through it, which will stand out really well on this dark background. So yes, so I think we will be doing that. So I'm going to start trimming down papers, matting my photo, getting the alphas for my title, and we'll go from there. All right, you guys, I have stitched down a few strips. I flip-flopped the sketch, but I stripped down some strips. I trimmed this down just by 1/4 inch, and then did a thin layer border around it white. I just wanted that to pop a little bit since I was going to be stitching in white, which I really enjoy. Double matted my photo, popped it up on foam. So now I'm going to fussy cut. I think my goal is to fussy cut a bunch of these branches out the best I can. And we'll tuck some of those around, as well as some of the stickers and things. And just kind of make a big old cluster over there. And then I'm going to use these My Type and do Angels We Have Heard on High right here. And then that will be title. So I'm gonna start getting the title down and fussy cutting, and I will check back in with you once all that is over, because that's painful to watch. All right, be right back. All right, my title is down, and then I'm tucking all these tiny... This was not a good idea to fussy cut. I mean, if you really like fussy cutting, it was a great idea. I don't mind it, but not when it, like, I don't know, it takes me forever. I did just do it while we were sitting around watching TV at night. So it's not like it was that painful, but man, palm branches. So I'm just going to tuck a bunch. I did tuck a few stickers, but I did my Angels We Have Heard on High, and actually relatively straight. I only broke out the T-square ruler for like the last line and making sure that it looked okay, and surprisingly I did well. I'm proud of myself. I like it. I think we will add one last thing, and that is going to be some gold splatters. These blue stars, because there's lots of them on this sticker sheet. And then there's this little baby. We could actually could do this. These little stickers are almost like sequins. They're just sprinkle them around. All right, and then I'm just gonna use some of my Dina Wakley Gilt gloss spray. Yep, that works. Whoop, I'm dripping from the handle. So that is my Christmas in October layout. Very late, I know, as per usual, right? And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go check out the people who actually played. I will have them down below. They will not have me, so that is probably why you did not see it. But yeah, there we have it. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.